aya no ama Medeama stadium no na idea Medeama honkomo gakra Eugene this particular CAF Inter club competition Ghanaian clubs ego gina Ghana na emu no me wo interest wo mu pa me wo interest wo mu pa na me pese me ne atiefuo eye education bi kakra Eugene CAF Champions League na ye ba bebo no you will stages
okay
stages no ye won so no per explanation at the mami e kire say ye draw na Medeama say egoba say opponent na obenya no ewo the preliminary stage no Kainesha no say the first clash of the Champions League and the CAF Confederations Cup Eugene ye freno preliminary stage o qualify free preliminary stage hona Eugene na ye wo playoff 1 and ye wo playoff 2 and na CAF ayi playoff 2 na free and you say obo preliminary stage no wa go playoff 1 after playoff 1 group stages and chechemu out the ma say Medeama about the preliminary stage at this particular venue we are the next stage they might not use this venue because aware say category 2 approval no approval ma we say obetimi dia ball female WAFCON qualifiers and as well as preliminary stage of club inter-club competition. So Eugene, the make catcher
I would say category 2 approval no e betimi abo CAF youth and women's national team qualifying matches now about prelims of a year CAF inter-club competitions and one category 2 no dey to me.
And I make us say qualify from the preliminary now. Next stage, they might not be able to use this venue. And Eugene, when you say preliminary, no, most of times clubs be able to boycott too. Yes, your clubs, especially clubs who move free chat, clubs who move free those.
Boycott on better company.
So free competition.
Okay.
But draw on a day. We go jinem ami a draw. Kotoko krase kotoko anye bi da refi.
Enya
walk over. So automatically you qualify from the preliminary because opponents pull out from that particular stage of the competition. It's Eugene. Say Medeama Penyufo will be here, Eugene. Omonya very swift. Omonya very smart. Say the bear behind the scenes.
Mami fa we fem na Zuba bisa about Shaibu kotoko player no still no my to ask me
Eugene nti the can say omonya very smart say the bear and niema bia CAF ezu say we a club we use a particular stadium requirement omu here say the bear omu betimi approve the particular stadium dia ma no ye be sere Medeama mpanyimfo say omo nkoso omuma omani nko ho na omuntimi embo omo homoden emma facility no enye fit for purpose moving forward in the competition because Eugene CAF competition na ye bono wa wutie me wa wo follow me bia na me be ya adwene say uyusu o preferred venue
Atakora me fa win fam maso kunadu ne boys no under 20 on about draw about 2 matches here 1 point.
Next year to call under 20 AFCON.
To assume me.
I don't think a bantam pow.
To assume me. I'm watching. To assume. Last year need to go.
Depending on the parents of the group.
I'm saying a bit to me. I share near a face any 4 points.
Near the mass last album. Yeah, they calculate.
Oh, then you send your band day.
Okay. Calculate and can see you pull here to work up you cry and pull. If you remember your pull here calculators. So again, the can say Medeama Penyufo behind closed doors. Yes, Romo. Omuma Duma and call facility him. Said the bear moving forward no umbetimi anya the approval no metimi honor competitions ewum yenya draw no but I believe and I hope say opponent Medeama benya bia no nyankopon ya adoma they would be able to knock that opponent out. But again CAF competition no say our preferred venue again a year adwuma no 70% man obeka Kotoko ne work work size already our experience in Kotoko our heritage our bibia our CAF stage in Kotoko but the di Kotoko nya pa ne say Kotoko entimi anyusu Baba Yara Sports Stadium entimi afa on a game on a work of Morocco boy
last season as
yes they make what you say enti CAF competition in the union ukomu a facility a ubo a oye comfortable no I was say u make sure say u betime use sa facility no because North Africans for no Eugene home games no only omo before kick-off no
intimidating.
Yes, Adentia always their venues, their preferred venue mu use no. Whether you like it or yes, or make me standard. I'm a CAF. I'll prove their mom. Enti Medeama penny for competition na mu kum no ye ni damoso. Eugene Maka and Mesa can BM say Ghana has to produce 4 clubs. We are one country at a point in time. CAF Confederations Cup a basso the maiden edition 2 Ghanaian clubs and a ball final. Union after that no Ghanaian club and let me make it to the last 4 of the Confederations Cup. Now no na Dreams FC a try but along the line Zamalek a uniform. So CAF club competition no Ghana ya modern mo ye shasi ane ye bo ye ho bra e was stage no Eugene ye modern mo no e fade off
afedi ana e fade
afedi. Thank you for correcting me. Afedi because the last clubs are mutimi ma Ghana points eye Medeama Kroye any Dreams FC eti Medeama FC ya pama chow dia mo beye biama venue no asom panyimfo ani especially wabo preliminary awie now say go playoff ama playoff so one free playoff agobo group stages no empanyimfo enye se de beya facility no ebe so CAF ani na CAF approve amomo se go be say e was say almost shifted from TNA Park ediko venue bi no mo kwa go share opponent no one of the opponent or more history in the competition Eugene a better game papa
Korokwaya announcement bi anyume ya.
Oh, okay
Na Nico Juba de sendo na what pia to mama isisi na I say
so Eugene they can say Medeama Ghana football any down so and over signings or more ya signings are betimi abo competition because Emmanuel no former Heart of Lions midfielder na Eugene all these guys Kaination is say Black Galaxy set now not omobo under head coach Okanse Mengel no these boys were playing integral for the Black Galaxies. It's a say omo a certain level and omo a certain pedigree. A club now the omo ebe ka team who are Eugene. They would be able to perform for you. Say the bear ubetimi put yourself at a place open, especially when CAF interclub competitions discuss that. So I think say Medeama panyin for make me more thumbs up for that approval at the category 2 stage, Eugene, your bumpire say moving forward, so mo qualify ko mo nimu a stage on bedru biara no on betimi abɔ mo homɔden ama facility no aso CAF ani ama CAF approve am now Eugene dan la de no so ko saying
on the team need training.
Oh good the entire me susu say